Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. PMC in PMC Lounge stands for Project Management Certifications. My name is Shoaib and I am the voice behind all the videos that you see on this website PMCLounge.com as well as our official YouTube channel youtube.com/PMCLounge. If it's your first time here, we are all about PMP and project management, so consider subscribing to the YouTube channel if you want more such free content. Today I'm taking up a question that dropped in my email, and the person has basically failed in the PMP exam 3 times, and the person wants to know what should be their next step. So, well, first of all, this is totally frustrating, right? Failing the PMP exam 3 times, that has to be frustrating. And I have 2 answers to this question actually. So my answer number 1, what should be your next step from PMI perspective? So your next step from the perspective of PMI, if you have failed the PMP exam thrice, what does PMI want you to do? So to begin with, when you apply for the PMP exam, you fill the application form. Once that application is approved, you have 1 year to take the exam from the date your application is approved. In this 1 year, you can take up the exam 3 times. Now, if you have exhausted all 3 of your shots at the exam, PMI wants you to wait for an year. And this 1 year time period begins from the day you last failed your exam. So now it should be noted that you can take up any other PMI exam in this 1 year wait period, but not the PMP. Another point to note here is that when your application was initially approved, your eligibility period for the PMP exam was 1 year, which means this 1 year wait period after you have failed the PMP exam thrice, this 1 year wait period is going to kill your eligibility period too. So after the 1 year waiting period is over, it's a clean slate, it's a fresh start. In other words, you will have to pay for your PMP exam again. Now, you can obviously try your luck by appealing the result by a written request to PMI for a 4th attempt, but this is where my next answer comes in. Remember, I told you that I was going to give you 2 answers for this question. So here's my answer number 2, which is actually a question, and that question is for yourself, and that is, what are you trying to achieve by getting the PMP certification? And why do I ask this? See, if you haven't been able to clear the PMP exam in 3 attempts, it is likely that there is some gap in your understanding of project management and the PMI or the PMBOK understanding of project management, the PMBOK way of defining project management. You need to analyze on how much of your present role actually involves project management, or how much of actual project management experience do you really have. And when I say actual project management, I mean project management as PMBOK defines it, as PMI defines it. This is not, and I repeat, this is not how you or your organization defines or practices project management. So once you are able to do a gap analysis and you are able to figure out the loose ends, you can then take a call whether or not you really need the PMP certification. So like I said, you need to question yourself on exactly what you are trying to achieve with the PMP certification. In fact, can you go ahead with some other project management related certification? And if you're looking for a complete list of all the certifications, especially the most popular ones related to project management, you can go over to the first link in the description below. It will take you to our website and you will have a list of the most popular project management related certifications out there that you can actually pursue. So that's all that I had in this video. I hope I was able to answer the question. Smash that like button if you got value out of it, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. Also, don't forget to check out the website PMCLounge.com, your #1 free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.